What's up, guys? It's Dennis Alexander out here in Henderson, North Carolina. We're at a dealership doing dealership work. And I bought this tent about 3 weeks ago, and it finally arrived Tuesday, which was 2 days ago. And I'm setting it for the first time, and this thing is amazing. Take a look. It's from Easy Up. Here it is. There's the company. Easy Up. There's the website, easyup.com. So it's pretty sweet, as you can see. And it has sidewalls that go all the way around it. But I don't need those just yet. But I do have sidewalls that we can put up, and it's going to help a ton to keep the sun out of me when I'm doing repairs out here. As always, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Okay, so it fits a nice standard side SUV very easily. And we're going to be working on a door ding right here. That little guy. And you see, I have all this shaded area right here to help me when I'm working. This is much better. And the great news is, it extends up much higher. So I can go much higher than this. I can put a truck underneath here for sure. If you guys thinking about getting something like this, check the company out. They are easy to work with, fast turnaround, super high quality material. This thing is absolutely phenomenal. And the sidewalls that come on it are lettered up with the logos, phone number, and all those good things, just like you see on the canopy. I'm very excited to use this thing, and I hope this helps you guys out in the field as well. Thank you for watching.